Hello lovely viewers, it's Adam here and welcome back to Word and Excel channel, the go-to place for learning Word and Excel skills. I will show you in this video the simplest way to convert PDF to Word. In fact, I will show you two ways. If you are looking for an effective way to convert PDF to Word, you are in the right place. So make sure you watch the video until the end. Now without further ado, let's get started. Here we have a small PDF file to test on. Let's open it, right click and click open. As you see, this is PDF file. Now close it. All you have to do now is to open the Word program. If you don't have the shortcut on your desktop, you can find the shortcut by searching here. Just type Word and the shortcut appears here. You can start the Word by clicking on it, or if you want this shortcut to definitely appears on desktop, just right click and click on open file location, and this window, as you see, displays all Microsoft Office programs shortcuts. This is Word 2016. Right click, move through send to, and click on desktop create shortcut, and the shortcut will appear on desktop like this. Now to convert this PDF file to Word, first open Word program, double click, drag and drop the PDF file anywhere on the Word program, anywhere. This information is that the Word program will convert the PDF file to an editable Word document. So just click OK. And that's it. Your PDF file is now converted to Word, and you can now modify its content, text and images, and save it again as PDF or other format. Sometimes a yellow message appears here just for your security if you downloaded PDF files from the internet. If you trust the file, just click edit or OK. Let's make small changes to this file. Let's change 10 to 11 and change the color. As you see, the PDF file is entirely converted to Word. You can modify all the file, modifying the text, its color, its size and everything. And you can also modify or change images. And you can save it as any other format you want, PDF or docx. Give it any name you want, and from this drop down list choose whether you want to save it as PDF or Word document, and click save. Let's minimize the file, and this is the converted file. This is the Word file. Now let's open it and save it as PDF. Click file, click save as, and browse. Give it another name. Let's give it PDF example, and from this drop down list choose PDF and click save. Now the file is saved as PDF again. As you can see, this is different from the first one. Now as you see, this is the saved PDF file. This is the first method. Let's now show you the second method. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me. Just open the Word, click open other documents, browse the file, locate the file and select the original PDF file and click open. The same message, click OK, and that's it. The PDF file is now ready to be edited, same as for the first method. I hope you find today's tutorial on how to convert PDF to Word helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.